If I should go to Google right now and type your name, what are the possible links that are going to come? Do this by yourself. Open an incognito browser and type your name in there and just look at the links that are popping up. If your name is a common name, not like mine, Carbell, Sarfo, how many people are called that? I know my name will pop up because I've worked on that. But what about you? Who popped up? It wasn't you. Now that thing is actually valuable. People being able to find you when they want to find you. It's actually valuable right now. People pay so much just to work on what we call SEO and make their organizations and their services easy to find where people want to find it. Underneath all of that is where your personal brand lies. You build a personal brand and you commit to building your personal brand, and in the long run, you are going to become findable when you have to be findable. Imagine this: somebody is looking to hire, or I put in an application somewhere that I want a role, or I want to be part of a committee or a team. Now they don't know me. I've just got an application. The person sees my CV and is intrigued. Oh, this is nice. I would like to go and find out, about this guy and see maybe I've passed the first step of the scanning. Okay, I like this guy's presentation is good. Let me go and find out about him. So I go to Google, because that's where we go when we want to find things, right? And then I type my name. They type my name, Carbell Sarfo. And then poof, on top I have my website there, I have my LinkedIn, I have my Instagram, I have my TikTok, I have my Substack where I write, I have my YouTube channel. Like all the places I share my content. So they go ahead and they click on my website link and you land on my website. And then you find out that, oh, okay, this guy is kind of put together. You find out, oh, he has a YouTube, let me see his YouTube channel. He goes there and you find out that I put house content. Look, before I say anything to you or before you have even met me personally, you already have a certain perception of me in your mind. And that thing I think is so valuable in this world that we are heading towards. We had a time when the phone that was released was the main thing. I mean, Apple just released their latest iPhone 15 and there's a buzz about it, but that buzz is not that kind of buzz that existed when the very first iPhone came, or when the Samsung and Co were always trying to bring something new. This mobile phone companies, they are bringing the same thing to us and repackaging it for us. Then we got to the time where the apps, where Facebook was the thing, where Instagram was the thing, where TikTok, where WhatsApp was the thing. Now we are in a time where the people in those apps are the thing. And your personal brand is so important and it's so key. Have you ever asked yourself why you go to that particular social media app that you do? When you go to WhatsApp, you don't go because of the app, you go because of the people in there. When you go to YouTube, you don't go because of anything. You go because of that comedian or that person you are going to learn or that person you are going to watch. And that is how important having that personal brand and an online presence is in this modern age. If you are someone who is very, 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 very much interested in taking a very bold step, the word is a very bold step in taking your online presence serious, I have a link in the description below. It's a sign-up form where if you feel you're going to get welcomed into my little community where we have other creators and other influencers who are there and helping each other out so that we all build ourselves together and create this online presence with video, with writing, and with our words, and most importantly, our voice and story. The link is in the description. Click on that link, like this video, catch you in the very next one. Peace.